What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys this pin curl tutorial. You guys, I love pin curls. The only thing I don't love about pin curls is the time. Like, it's just very, it takes a minute. Like, it really takes a minute because you have to curl the hair, then you have to pin it with bobby pins or clips. But this is the NadulaHair. I will have everything down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I absolutely love this wig. This is a 22 inches, 180% density body wave 360 wig. And I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to take my curling one and then we're going to pin curl, basically. And we're going to do this all over and then we're going to redo our edges. So I'm just going to let you guys watch it because it's super easy and it's really nothing much to say. So I will see you guys in the makeup portion. So time for the makeup. So I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. I absolutely love this concealer, especially for eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use the Juvia's Place, the Berries palette. And you guys, these are actually bum AF. Like, Juvia's, in my opinion, has the best shadows on the market. Super affordable, super pigmented. And the size of the eyeshadow is like, come on now. Like, it's super big for the price. So I'm gonna try to use every shade in the palette. I just didn't use the two shimmer shades, but I will be using all the matte shades in the palette. And I wanted to give you guys this matte smoky purple pink. I absolutely love this palette. This is probably my favorite palette out of the 4, I would say. But yeah, I will make sure to do a makeup tutorial using all 4 palettes because I do want to let you guys know the tea. And the tea is hot, honey. So make sure you guys get this palette. Super affordable. It's worth every penny. And yeah. So I was making sure everything was blended out. So the secret to pigment shadows, pat, 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 then blend, pat, 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 then blend. So you don't want the eyeshadows to skip or anything. You want everything to look seamless. So remember that pat, pat, blend, pat, pat, blend. So hopefully that helps somebody, especially if you want pigmented shadow looks. But I just feel like Juvia's is just pigmented on its own. So if you guys didn't see, I used the Anastasia eye primer, and you guys, I absolutely love this eye primer for my semi-cut creases just because it's not too thick, but it's not runny. It's like the perfect consistency to make a semi-cut crease. And I love this brush. I bought this from Joann's in the paintbrush aisle, and it was super affordable. So I will be buying more because it makes carving your brows and doing cut creases and semi-cut creases a breeze, you guys. So I'm going to use the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. And then for my lashes, I'm going to use the Rouser Beauty Bar lashes. And this is the So Extra Lash Collection. And I'll be using the style Vibes. So I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer and my Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 400. Is it 400C? No, it's 500C. And then for my concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha. So you guys, do not forget that Rouser Beauty Bar is launching her So Extra Lash Collection January 3rd at 2 p.m. Central Time. And I will be restocking 3 of the most popular lashes that sold out on my website the same time and the same day as well. So I just want to let you guys know, I'll make sure to put it down below the website so you guys can check it out, get familiar with it, so you guys will be able to purchase every time I have new releases and launch a new item. So you guys already know that I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Honey. I need to buy a bigger one because the smaller one is almost gone, and yeah, it's just time to buy a bigger one. But if you guys have better setting powders, comment down below because I'm new. I love trying new stuff. But I really do love the Fenty Beauty powder. Like, I really love that powder. So I thought I was filming the face portion and I didn't. So I'll be showing you guys all the items I use on my face. So I used the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mommy. Then I used the Coastal Scents. No, I didn't. I didn't use the Coastal Scents this time. I actually used the Juvia's The Berries palette for my blushes. So I picked the pink and this pretty deep purple for my blushes, and it came out beautifully, honey. Then I'm going to, for my highlight, use the Maybelline highlighter that nobody really talks about anymore, but I still use it and it looks good. So that's what I used. And then we will go ahead and use the colors we use in our crease for our lower lash line, and then we will get into the lips. So for my lip liner, I'm going to use the ColourPop BFF4. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the Rouser Beauty Bar Lip Gloss in Sweetie. So this lip gloss is like this gorgeous baby pink, and you guys, it's so pretty with a brown lip liner. So if you get this, wear a brown lip liner and you will be popping, like seriously popping. Also, that's my personal like container, so I can test it out for myself. And you guys, I absolutely love this color. It will look good on every skin tone, and I love the shine, and it feels so good on the lips. And also everything will be vegan and cruelty free. And I can't wait for you guys to see the lip gloss tubes, because they look bomb, seriously, like really, like seriously. Like I'm so happy with the containers, like with the tubes. They look amazing, and those will retail for $9 and will be available January 10th. So time to take this bonnet off, and it's time to unravel these pin curls. And super easy, I just unravel them, like take the bobby pin out and basically fluff them, and basically that's it. Like literally that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to a friend. Share it to anybody, literally. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this look. Like I'm really excited. Like this is really pretty, like super pretty. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.